Welcome back. We are now going to look at division. We are going to do this the exact same way. So we want to expand each part. So 4 to the third, we are going to expand as 4 times 4 times 4. As 4 squared is going to be 4 times 4 in our denominator. So all we're going to look to do now is cancel out. So this 4 and this 4, so we're going to go 1 for 1. Take 1 4 from the top, cancel it out with 1 4 from the bottom. Do the exact same thing with the next one. And those cancel out. And the last person standing, or the last number standing, ends up being our answer. So this will just be 4 to the first, or we could say it is just 4. So for 3 to the fifth times 3 to the first, we're going to put 5 3s on top, 1 3 on the bottom, and cancel out as many 3s as I can. So cancel out, cancel out. And what is left is we have 4 3s in our numerator, so it's just going to turn out to be 3 to the fourth power. 8 to the fourth times 8 squared, we're going to put 4 8s in our numerator, 2 8s in our denominator. Cancel out again 1 for 1. This 8 cancels out with this 8, this one, and this one. We have 2 8s left in our numerator, so our answer is going to be 8 squared with 2 8s. For number 8, I write out 7 10s. On top for 10 to the 7th, 3 10s on the bottom for 10 to the 3rd. I cancel out what I can. So this 10 and this 10, these two, these two. So I have 4 10s left on top. So it's 10 to the 4th. Let's for a second look at something like 10 to the 3rd over 10 to the 5th. So on top, I have 3 10s. On bottom, I have 5 10s. Same deal, I'm going to cancel out 1 for 1. So this 10 and this 10, this 10 and this 10, this 10 and this 10. So now I have 2 10s left, but they're on the bottom of my fraction. So 10 squared goes on the bottom, and I need to put a 1 on top to keep the lid on. So what I'd like you to do now is complete the bottom part of your notes here on your own. And then once you complete those, come back and watch the next video on to double check and make sure you got the answers correct.